The severely affected area of Moheskola, southwest Khasi Hills under Ranikor block received rice on the 11th of July 2022 from the All Khasi Hills Achik Federation. Several natural disasters, including landslides, river floods and heavy rain, have severely damaged 15 settlements. The incident occurred on June 16 and 17, 2022. And effort was made by the All Khasi Hills Achik Federation to try to assist the villagers and was successful in completing several tasks including road maintenance in the Borsora area and other areas. The Federation also urged the PHA department under Ranikor subdivision to conduct an urgent investigation into the areas destroyed by landslides and other natural disasters and further stated that people do not have access to clean drinking water because the pipeline has been completely destroyed by landslides and heavy rainfall. They also requested the state and federal governments to look into the matter right away.
Kalau all Khasi Hills Federation akap organisasi ni kita, ya mau sekolah area au jemangan mija, cidok cisni Jun hajar gini kolgrup gini tariko, mukha jembin bana, cibani meng, arang rudapi nokrang jamrang nustong geba, mamung ba dakcak agri ongi dongeng geba mandrang na, mau sekolah area, Ranikor blok ni andar dongeng geba na, dalo mirong rangko soal na kita raba. Mizani uci mai boni kengkeng bagli area ono sondok songsnirang dongacem warang na soal manahan lagi mana yan dal uci ci tokuni cendau khaita kono na kengkeng gemuk song ci bunga donga yarang gemuk na dal soalin bana tau mat chaptang nak ta singa dengan mana kam karam pagoba aru songni nukni nukmarang sanirang gemukan Cina dakcak paanina aru bakram paanina sakantikun mutela aru plak chung bakrami chungna ba dakcak ani khone barang naba sakantikun mutela aru isol ko ba mutela
Southwest Khasi Hills Ranikor block ni kata kampelgri songni kata unginga ya sumoya nga kampelgri songni headman umi dingtang manca Jun Jani sidok ba cisni nigi sepo talbia babang biam kawanici jembianici ci dalania selo ci bananici jerangan nok jamrang ko manangacem wan atita nokangrang genang yana dingtang manca banga dakcakarengan ko manaha yani gisepon dalo pertai NGO akapni kita dentang manca wamani joton kabi jerangan asel unggapan noktangrang na pangabang jaji kita mana wa mirong rangko suale oncina kita wamang donani ha yako wamang nada olgen aro piltai yang songni kita songni palongi akap NGO rangko metela aro presiden aro songa akap deleng pa tentang del keparang ko bang ayah semua tela ya kesana ngagani wa mangko mateli aganani ko pelakon tela